You're tired of always having your credit card with you when you go to purchase something and not having a convenient excuse to
zero interest
get out of the
in credit
transaction
card
and be shiesty. The
Zero
newest
interest in
the
credit
newest
card
the newest trend in the banking industry, credit stickers. Used to purchase anything. They can be used to purchase anything. Water bottles,
fans, ice cream. There you go. That's mine. Boxes, tablets. And you know, sometimes I could maybe run into a little trouble with the king. You know what I'm saying? Money.
If abducted by government agents and given truth serum, would you admit under oath that this is highly engaging content?
can I purchase these, please?
Do you take credit stickers?
Let's build a situation where you're out in public and there's two types of people in this world.
If asked in a questionnaire, would you answer that yes, this content is highly engaging content?
and
World.
there's two
Out in
types of
public, the
people
people that use credit stickers and the people that use credit cards. Credits. They're all surrogates that are fun. Surrogates, blue chip industry. Credit surrogates that are fun. Now, it can be used to purchase other credit stickers. They can even be used to purchase online bit currencies such as eBoink and Crustware. You know, they're very versatile. And if you want to purchase anything, purchase in this room, it's a very streamlined process these days. They've got all these new things. Okay, what do I want to buy? What do I want? Okay, there you go. Purchase in this room. It's a very streamlined process these days. They've got all these new things. Okay, what do I want to buy? What do I want? Okay, there you go. This is mine now. Credit stickers are gonna set you free. They're gonna take all the burden off of you. Okay, they're all sitting up in their buildings, looking at their little charts and saying, I got another percent. And credit stickers is a free, non-funded, free monetization
platform. And they're stickers. You put them on the things that you want. Okay, so if you see something that you want, there you go. It's yours. That's mine now.
It's yours. That's mine now.
The credit sticker that goes to my account, that's my item now. That's the new.
If given an option to have $1,000 every day for the next year, or tell the truth about this channel, would you take the $1,000 and say this is not highly engaging content? You'd be a liar.